Let's begin.
Oh yeah.
You want to begin easy or you want to begin complicated? Or you want to like go through that elevation of from
It
easy conversation
just
to a
do
complicated conversation?
straightforward would be much better, I guess.
You are listening to The Chupacabra Show.
I am a tea addict basically, and it all started when I was a kid. When I was in school, maybe 3 year or 4 year old, my mom used to make a big glass of tea every morning, and that's how I used to wake up. Like, मेरे उठने से पहले मेरे हाथ में चाय का गिलास होता था, the steel वाला glass. Every Indian nowadays, I don't know if everybody have it, but yeah. So she started giving me the tea, and since then I'm tea addict actually. I didn't started making tea on my own till I was 27 or 28. Before that, somebody was making it, and I used to have it. I wasn't having any choice in tea. I'm like, okay, chai hai, chalegi, chai hai, chalegi. But then I wasn't getting the high out of it basically. Just you know, it's like when you have something and you love it so much, and it just feed your cravings. It just gives you that buzz. It just gives you the meaning of life, short of emotion, right? So to get that more, I just started making tea on my own. So first I was adding water, more water, less milk wali tea. Then I started adding some masala. पहले सिर्फ जिंजर वाली थी, फिर मसाले डाले. Then my mom used to make a masala, so I started adding that masala in it. Then I moved to a friend, and he just started making a kind of tea with less milk and well, like less water and more
More
milk.
milk.
वहां से हो गया बिगाड़ा चालू. I was like, I after that I constantly like removing the water out of it, and then I started making tea. Maybe like I was boiling it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and I was having, and I was like, let's make it more condensed. Let evaporate the water content in the tea to make it more rich, to make it taste not just like tea. It will give you the good high and the buzz, that sort of thing. So even I was implementing so many things, but now I end up making it in 8 minutes. So that's a formula. And the good part about this tea is that ingredients are minimum, but you will get the same taste wherever you are. So taste, it's gonna remain the same.
So, what is the current 8 minute की चाय की recipe?
8 minute की चाय की recipe is basically the half toned milk, Amul, blue wali thali. That's a must. And then you just have to calculate the amount of tea you want to have. Say if you are having a mug, then just fill it till the milk starts spilling a bit. ऊपर तक एकदम भरना है. And just have this thought in your mind that if you wanna consume the edge wali chai, so you have to like fill it and just expect at least half an inch वो कम होगी ही होगी, पक्का होगी. So if you want edge वाली चाय, edge to edge, तो आधा इंच थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा दूध डालो उसको और गिरने दो नीचे पतीले. Then put it on stove, सबसे लो फ्लेम पे रखना है अपन को, and crush 4 इलायचीज, 4 medium size इलायची, crush it with that.
In India, we call it sandasi.
Sandasi, yeah.
Pakad.
Pakada. So crush it in that sandasi and put it in milk and add 2.5 spoon of tea. जो teaspoon जो होता है वो वाला, and full कर दो उसका ignition जो flame जो उसको full कर दो, and just wait it. जैसे वो पहला उफान आएगा उसको धीरे करो, और उफान आती 8 मिनट चालू कर देना है आपको. उफान आता रहेगा, 3-4 बार उफान कोर तक आएगा. जैसे ही कोर में आएगा, यू जस्ट नीड टू ब्लो. जो भी कोर के साइड में आपको हवा ब्लो करनी है, तो उससे वो एकदम से नीचे जाएगा. then it will happen for two or three more times. Then it won't happen for next 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it like that. कुछ नहीं करना है, हाथ भी नहीं लगाना. पाप लग जाएगा, हाथ भी लगा ले लो. जैसे ही 8 मिनट होते हैं आपको जाना है. अलार्म बाद में बंद करेंगे हम, सबसे पहले गैस बंद करेंगे. वो ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. You can have that tea without any sugar also. It tastes so good.
I think the ingredients are just milk, elaichi, and chai patti.
There's one more thing I want to add on. So chai patti भी आपकी होनी चाहिए. It's Tata Tea Premium. You need the premium tea. आप ताज़ा डालोगे, it won't give you the richness because ताज़ा had that green leaves आते हैं उसके अंदर. But it just chai patti, the premium one.
We are not paid by Tata, by the way.
Yeah, so if you
That doesn't mean we are not trying to.
Yeah, please come and give him some sponsorship
Yes.
and with some pouches of free tea.
So he can take it and make more
Yeah.
8 minute ki chai.
Yes.
When you make a milk coffee, you can like experiment a bit. You have a margin where you can fumble around or like fondle around and whatnot. So basically in a milk coffee, you have milk, you have coffee, and you can also, people also add a bit of water in it.
Yes.
So creamery hota
Now
hai.
I just got to know like there are middle class families who are just coming to upper middle class segment of it. So what they do, they take a cup, usme they put sugar, they put few drops of water and instant coffee in it, and then wisp it. It will become it becomes sort of a thin paste of it, very viscous. Then they add boiled milk and add into it and mix करके पीते हैं. So it's a different kind of things nowadays. People
It's a copied coffee, by the way.
I just don't know.
The original is Dalgona coffee.
I just don't know.
Dalgona. So what I was saying about coffee. So then I moved on to black coffee, and the first thing I wanted to experiment with, because I heard a coffee sommelier or the barista champion that if you want to drink the beans, you have to taste an espresso. So I started drinking espresso. It was not a good flavor to me because whatever coffee I could find in either CCD or one or the other outlet in India, they were like just ruining the espresso altogether because they burn it. That I didn't understand what it is. And is it burned? Because I never had a reference of a good coffee.
You need a benchmark, you know.
So I thought that this is exactly how the coffee tastes like. It's burned, it is bitter, it is very,
Waste of money.
yeah, basically it is waste of.
Because I don't know, there was this point in my life, I guess year 2014 or something. So I shifted to this different place and I lived there for a few months. So at the beginning, I started drinking espresso, CCD, obviously.
That was the worst experience.
After certain, amount of time, I got to learn that I'm just wasting my money, and my entire mouth ended up having a hell lot of ulcers. My throat was itchy. It was paining.
I moved to Jaipur and I tried an espresso at Curious Life. And that was a very changing moment for me because I experienced a cup of espresso with a bit of sweet texture in it, sweet taste in it. And it has a bitter starting, yes, because it's a fucking espresso. If you don't want a like bitter one, don't drink espresso.
Yeah, go for latte.
Go for latte.
Yeah.
And I was like, where does this sweetness is coming from? And I asked the barista guy who was making the coffee, and he was like, that's how coffee is made. And I was like, wait, am I living a wrong life?
सारी कड़वाहट निकाल दी यार.
I started learning from him. I bought that cheap espresso machines, but I was still drinking that bitter coffee. At the end of the day, I found out that there are 3 main components in making coffee. Number 1 component is water. Second component is coffee. And coffee is like the most important
beans
part.
You're talking about, right?
No, not just the beans. The beans and the powder you make with the beans. Take the crushed beans and everything is considered like uski consistency kya hai? The crushing.
Not the instant one.
Instant one, so
Grind
forget
it.
about it. And the third most important element I found in that making a coffee is heat.
Yeah.
And I think that is also important in making tea,
8 minute की चाय, yes it is.
right?
So you need to be like so, precise about the timing. 10 seconds can make a huge difference in the profile of it.
Flavor profile changes a lot, man. So then I ended up right now where I am right now is like there is a 600 rupees ka mocha pot, and it has a bottom chamber for water. You get to the right temperature because that is the only temperature where water will start rising and making steam. It will mix with your coffee and then it brews your coffee somehow.
Yeah.
And now I am a very happy person.
So basically, there is a common thing between both of us. It all started from the family. Right. In your
No,
family,
not
no?
for me.
Not okay.
My
I
family is
guess in
not
your
a coffee
family,
addict.
people used
I think
to
my
have
mother
coffee.
used to be,
Same, my
but she is
mom,
not anymore. Like she doesn't drink coffee, she drink tea. In my childhood, when they ask you कि आप किराने की दुकान के सामने ले जाए खड़ा करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि चूज करो आपकी कोई भी favorite drink, and everybody choose that sugary chocolate. What do you call it? Complan, Horlicks, or any Bournvita, Boost, any of that. I chose Nescafe, and I shouldn't have because that stunned my growth a lot.
Like I would like to add this one more thing about the chai का जो होता है ना नशा जिसको बोलते हैं. So some days, suppose I made a tea and my brain might be somewhere else or I might be thinking something else and I fucks it up. Say I have it, I just have it, and my taste buds are like okay, it's okay, let it go, but my brain it doesn't accept it. So I have to make another one till I reaches the same profile I want it to. It's something else, It sucks at the same time, but yeah, it makes my traveling so hard because if I go out, I don't get that tea, I'm fucked.
In food, just talking about food culture, okay, nowadays the food culture is becoming people cooked food, right? So अगर किसी कंपनी ने सॉलिड मस्ती नाम का स्नैक बनाया है
तो लोग उसको बना रहे हैं,
तो लोग उस सॉलिड मस्ती की चाट बना रहे हैं rather than making a चाट from scratch.
कुरकुरे बर्गर
भी है.
People are making, crushing burgers और उसकी पैटी बना के people are doing shit, man. Oreo shakes तो है ही है मार्केट में, Kit Kat shake.
और ऐसा कुछ अटपटा देगा like which rages you?
Chinese bale
क्या होता है?
Chinese bale is basically जो मंचूरियन के नूडल्स जो होते हैं, they fry them, फिर उसको तोड़ के प्लेट में इकट्ठा करते हैं, they add all those मसाला जो हम बेल में जो डालते हैं, प्याज, मिर्च, चाट मसाला, नींबू, सब कुछ डाल के वो फिर वही खट मिला के they serve it. Instead of murmura popped rice, they use fried Manchurian noodles, Hakka noodle, not Manchurian, sorry, Hakka noodle. I'm sorry.
Fried noodle, basically.
Yeah, fried noodles, yeah.
That's interesting.
People make Maggi poha.
Maggi poha कैसे बोलता है? Like,
so basically they boil Maggi and then before boiling it they crush it and then they boil it. Then they keep it aside and let the water drain out. उसके बाद में same poha वाली recipe में उसको बना देना.
Why? No.
Why? There is no answer actually. But it's the same thing. People are cooking the cooked food,